Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Module 9, Chapter 9, the medical record. We're going to learn a lot of information about, some of the changes that happened in the medical record from electronic or from paper to electronic. A lot of great information that's transisted over the years that we had to move into electronic sourcing, and that's been tough, but we've made that transition. It's been going on 10, 15 years, actually probably a little bit longer than that now that I think about it, but we're going to learn a lot about that in the lecture. It's about 15 minutes long, so take a look at that when you get a chance. I also included some great supplemental videos on how healthcare manages your record. It's a little old, but it's still got the information needed to be not successful. And there's not a lot that's changed in the last 5 years about electronic health records and medical records. There's been changes on the back end with systems and such, but it's something that still consists today, right? Make sure you're reading your Chapter 9 in your textbook, your Pearson textbook, the medical record, and then also remember all the supplemental information I have here. EHR versus MEMR, what's the difference? So a lot of you will be interested in that. I'm not going to spoil that for you, so take a look at that when you get a chance as well. You do have two things just as normal. You have your Module 9 review questions, which is of course your homework, and then your Module 9 lecture question, which is I think great from a perspective of medical record and privacy. So make sure you get that lecture question done in order to get PPS points. And don't forget about the Module 9 review questions, which are going to be, of course, due by the end of the week. And I want to make sure the date that I get is right. The 15th. All right? It's going to be due the 15th. If you have any questions related to that, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help you in any way. And I'm looking forward to learning a little bit more about what you post in your lecture questions so I can post along with you. All right. Thanks so much. Have a good rest of the week, guys.